I would say the 57th snowstorm in Connecticut in less than a week. We're getting between 8 to 12 inches of snow. This guy getting out. I hope he gives gas and peels out and loses control and hits a pole. Do something stupid. Do something stupid. Shh. He's doing 2 miles an hour. Well, I'm on my little balcony, guy. About if this little thing collapses, I'm done. Your boy's dead. I don't know if you can see the snow falling right there by the light. It's coming down pretty hard. Oh, there's this guy over here. But no one wants to do little tricks in the snow. Shh, you're not fun. Little 360s, 780s, do an ollie. Yeah, this guy right here, he's awesome. He's going fast. He's got a dodge. He's going fast. But he still didn't do nothing. Whatever. It's cold. Snow's flying at me, 190. Wheels, deals. Okay, I'm going inside. It's cold.